thought it was over, I'm just getting started. You thought it was over, I'm just getting started. You thought it was over, I'm just getting started. I'm just getting warmed up, I'm just getting started. You thought it was over, I'm just getting started. Yeah, I'm just getting warmed up, I'm just getting started. It ain't over till it's over, I'm just getting started. I'm turning the page and breaking away. You can love it or hate it, set the bridges ablaze. Prisoner to the past, I'm escaping the cage. Burying it behind me, locked away in the grave. It's been so long, on the road I roam on. Digging deep and giving me the energy to go on. Ain't no turning back now, possessed with vendetta. Choosing my movements wisely, it's chess, never checkers. Well, it's been a long time coming. I'm in too deep, can't turn back now. I done spent my whole life running. Oh, well, it's been a long time coming. I'm in too deep, can't turn back now. I done spent my whole life running. Here we go now. You thought it was over, I'm just getting started. I'm just getting started. Yeah. You thought it was over, I'm just getting started. Yeah, come on, I'm just getting started. You can knock me down, never knock me out. Came back feeling brand new, tell me how you like me now. Real one in my DNA and I never been on trial. Ain't a question even under pressure, keeping 10 toes on the ground. I bet you thought it was done, really we only